will talk about one intercultural communication issue related to identity and gender in communication. The issue I choose is misunderstanding in texting between different genders. This is a very common situation in real life. Sometimes one person thinks a message is normal, but the other person interprets it differently. Many understandings happen not because people want to be rude, but because they have different communication styles.
Socks in my mind are shaky, so please hold on tight.
This misunderstanding happens a lot in online communication, especially texting, because text messages do not include facial expression or tone of voice, so people can interpret message differently. The first concept is identity and communication styles. Every person has a different way of communicating based on their identity, personality, environment, and experiences. Some people are expressive when texting. They use emoji, long sentences, and emotional expressions. Even though both messages have the same meaning, they create different emotional impressions. The second concept is gender-related communication tendencies. In communication studies, women are often described as using communication to build emotional connection and express feelings. Meanwhile, men are more likely to communicate directly and focus on exchanging information efficiently. This shows how different communication tendency can create misunderstanding. The boy thinks he already communicates clearly, while the girl expects emotional warmth and engagement efficiently. The third concept is intercultural communication. Communication styles are also influenced by culture. For example, Indonesian communication is often indirect and warm to show politeness and friendliness. For example, however, in some cultures, direct and brief communication is considered normal and efficient. And this is for example. Because of the culture differences, people may misunderstand each other's intention. A short message may sound rude in one culture, but completely normal in another. From this issue, I learned that people have different communication styles, influenced by identity, gender, and culture. Short replies do not always mean someone is rude and uninterested. Instead of assuming too quickly, we should try to understand each other and communicate more clearly. We can learn that communication is not only about words, but also about interpretation. Identity, gender, and culture influence how people send and receive messages. Instead of judging too quickly, we should try to understand different communication styles. Better communication starts with understanding, not assuming.